Have you ever felt a sudden tug on your scalp and brushed it off? That discomfort could be a warning signal that might lead to serious hair damage. Updo styles are everywhere, but beneath those sleek buns and tight ponytails lie hidden dangers that can silently threaten your hair health. Imagine getting ready for a big night out, pulling your hair back tightly and feeling fabulous. But with every twist of that hair tie, your hair is crying out for help. Those stylish looks could be setting you up for traction alopecia condition that's more common than you think. You might not notice the gradual thinning until one day you look in the mirror and see less hair than you remembered. Consider those long hours spent with that sleek ponytail. What's happening to your roots? The constant pulling weakens hair follicles, leading to breakage and damage. Are those Instagram-worthy looks worth the risk? And don't overlook the accessory sharpens elastics and decorative clips. Each use can snag or pull, increasing the risk of split ends and breakage. It's a hidden minefield for your hair just waiting to cause chaos. Before you dismiss this, think about how often you change your hairstyles. Are you mixing it up enough, or are you stuck in a damaging routine? So, what can you do to protect your precious locks? Simple changes can make a world of difference. For looser styles, use gentler accessories and give your hair the breaks it desperately needs. Your hair deserves more than just being a canvas for the latest trends. The next time you reach for that hair tie, remember the hidden dangers of Updo. Your hair will thank you in the long run. Did you know that your favorite Updo might be quietly damaging your hair? Many people believe their hair is safe when it's tucked away in a bun or twist, but these popular styles can hide concerning consequences. Imagine you're getting ready for a night out, pulling your hair into a sleek high ponytail, feeling fabulous. But that tight grip does more than just keep your hair in place, it strains your roots. Can you feel that tension? Have you heard of traction alopecia? It's a condition that many don't associate with their beloved Updos. Each twist and pull could be causing slow, invisible damage. You might think it won't happen to me, but countless individuals are experiencing this. Picture yourself at a wedding with your hair styled into a stunning Updo. As the hours go by, that flawless look starts to feel uncomfortable. That's more than just an annoyance, it's your hair signaling that it's under stress. Let's also talk about the products we use. How often do you pile on hairspray, thinking it's the magical solution? Each layer adds weight and can lead to breakage. The irony: what you thought was a glamorous style could actually be causing a cascade of split ends. So what can you do? It's not all doom and gloom. There are simple adjustments you can make to protect your hair from these hidden dangers, but first you need to recognize the signs. Have you ever noticed hair strands on your pillow after a long day in a tight style? Or felt your scalp sore after a lengthy event? These are signals you shan't ignore. Imagine loosening your style just a bit. What if you could achieve that chic look while keeping your hair healthy? It's all about finding balance, and it's more achievable than you might think. As we wrap up, take a moment to reflect. Your hair deserves the best care, and so do you. The next time you reach for those bobby pins, think about the long-term effects. You have the power to change the story. So here's a gentle reminder: be mindful of your choices. Your hair will thank you for it. If you found this information eye-opening, I'd love to hear your thoughts. After all, your hair's health is worth discussing. Have you ever wondered if that sleek bun or those trendy braids could be quietly damaging your hair? You are not alone. Many of us overlook the hidden risks associated with popular Updo styles and their impact on hair health. Picture this: you've just nailed that stunning Updo for a night out feeling confident and chic. But what if I told you that this look might be costing you more than just time in front of the mirror? It could be harming your hair in ways you didn't expect. You might think tight hairstyles are just a fashionable choice, but they can lead to traction alopecia. This occurs when hair follicles are constantly pulled, resulting in breakage and thinning, a silent thief of your hair's vitality. Now, think back to the last time you wore a tight ponytail. Did you feel any discomfort? That's your body signaling that something isn't right. The pressure from these styles can lead to headaches and scalp soreness, yet many brush it off as just part of looking good. Imagine being at a party looking fabulous in your Updo, only to catch a glimpse in the mirror and see hair coming out in clumps. It's a nightmare scenario, but it happens more often than you think. As the tension builds from wearing these styles daily, your hair doesn't just weaken, it becomes more prone to split ends breakage, and even permanent loss in some cases. The longer you keep that tight bun or those intricate braids, the greater the risk of losing what you love about your hair. So what can you do? Here's the good news: you can enjoy stylish Updos while still protecting your hair's health. By changing your styles, using protective products, and giving your hair regular breaks,